Hello and welcome to day 5 of our vlogmas of us opening advent calendars every day. This is a late one, so it's like, I don't know what time it is. It's 11 o'clock at night already, so we've...
First here in Disneyland Paris.
Yes, so we're going to open. Who's going to start today?
I will.
Cool.
The first one is the Rubber Ducky calendar.
Yay.
Which is hiding from me. Day 5.
What have we got?
Oh, it's a little reindeer Rubber Ducky.
So cute.
I'll put a picture on the screen.
Yep, as we usually do. So that's the first one. Next, I will do Super Mario today. So let's find number 5 on this one. Number 5 looks like it's already been opened. Look. Who have we got? Oh, we got a little coin. How cool is that? Little Mario coin. There we go. Again, picture below because it's easier to see. Put it back.
That leaves me here with the Mini Funko Christmas one. This is the one that's in numerical order, which is going to be easier.
It's life a lot easier, we don't have to think about it then. Anything that doesn't require me thinking is always a good thing for me. Whoop.
Ooh, there you it. There's a little stand there as well.
Cool.
I think it's supposed to be Daisy because of the eyelashes.
Yeah.
So, yeah, Daisy with a little hat and a little hands and a little muff. So a little
Stand to go on. Which is weird that the other ones haven't had that.
Because she's very top heavy there.
Yeah, but so was Minnie. Anyway, we'll insert the picture so you can see it. And finally, we've got the puzzle and game. Game and puzzle, whatever you want to call it. So again, number 5. Let's find you. 3, 5. So here we go. 5. Who do we get today? So I can open it. We get Rapunzel. Little Rapunzel there. Again, as I say, picture in the below. And finally, the little puzzle pieces. So 2 little puzzle pieces. It's getting a fair few, so we'll have to see if these go together soon. But that's it for day 5. If you want to see more from us, follow along.